Om Nirvikalpaya Namaha.
Nirvikalpa. Vikalpa means doubts, confusions. हिंदी में in Hindi also मैं विकल्प में पड़ गया. Don't they say that? हिंदी वाले. Option also. Option also is that. Because dual means doubt means you have two things, this or that. ये करूं क्या ये करूं, ये करूं वो करूं. Should I do this or should I do that? I'm confused. So confusions is called vikalpa, doubts. Vikalpa also means duality. Vikalpa means doubts. Vikalpa also means duality, two. Nirvikalpa means no doubts whatsoever. One who has realized the divine, thereafter no doubts what I should do, what I should, nothing, because he is very determined. He is determined. That's why Gurudev's conviction and determination was unique. So, Vyavasayatmika Buddhi. Whatever they do will be for the welfare of the society. So that is Nirvikalpa, no doubts or confusions. No duality means free from duality. Even though they see the duality, they know the reality. Because they know the reality, they refuse to accept the duality. Any example comes to your mind? Any example? Dvichandra. The two crescents. Anybody saw two crescents next to each other? Two crescents, anybody saw? Nobody saw? Not even a single person. When I was in India, I used to see only one crescent. Then I came to US. And after a year, I started seeing two crescents. Luckily, I know that there is only one crescent. Suppose I did not know, I will start thinking. In India, I saw only one crescent. US, I'm seeing two. Advanced country. Developed country. So two crescents I'm seeing. If I just saw it and kept quiet, but suppose I started telling you also. You know, when I was in India, I saw only one crescent. Here I'm seeing two crescents. Developed country. What will you say? Swamiji, you may be ignorant. Just be. But don't advertise your ignorance. You will say that. I see the two crescent, but I know that there is only one. But why am I seeing two? Because there is a defect in the eyesight. Because there's a defect in the eye, therefore I am seeing two crescent. If this is understood, same thing. There's a defect in the I. The alphabet I. Number 9. Number 9 I? What is number 9 I? Alphabet number 9. One teacher asked a child, make a sentence using I. And that boy, smart kid, he said, Indian. South Indian. He said, teacher, sentence with I. I is. Teacher looked. You're from India? Yes, ma'am. South India? Yes, ma'am. It is not I is. Should be I am. Okay, teacher. I am the 9th letter of the English alphabets. So teacher was, you are right. Earlier what you said, I is the 9th letter. You are right. You are South Indian? Yeah, yes, I am South Indian. Think. So that I feeling we we squeeze it in the BMI. That's the defect in the I. When the defect in the I feeling itself, when I am BMI, naturally I will see other than BMI. There's a duality. I and something other. I and you. When I am defective, I see you. So there's only one I, that alone. Nirvikalpa, no duality. In your deep sleep, is there a duality? Find out, anybody? If somebody has gone, check. No duality in deep sleep. The moment you wake up, you think you woke up. You did not wake up. Your mind woke up. When your mind wakes up, immediately it displays the plurality. When your mind is dormant, you're conscious of the mind's dormant condition. Nothing. No mind, no duality. Mind wakes up, duality. You are that Sakshi of the mind waking and mind going to sleep. But we don't identify with the Sakshi. We feel, I am the mind. When the mind wakes up, I woke up. If the mind is fresh, I am fresh. If the mind is sleepy, what do you say? I am very sleepy, Swamiji. Moment you start your class, Swamiji, I am very sleepy. Not I am sleepy. Mind is sleepy. You are the witness of the sleepy mind. So that Sakshi is without the Vikalpa. But as a Sakshi, still there is a subtle duality. Witness and the witnessed. But when I start witnessing the BMI, now from the balcony of the BMI, I see the OET. But when I reach the pedestal of Sakshi, the witness, from the witness pedestal, I witness the BMI. Then what happens? Since attention is on the BMI, witnessing the BMI, not on OET. So slowly what happens? Your attention goes more towards the Sakshi. Because you are watching the BMI. So subtle duality is there. But since the attention is more of just watching this as a witness, witnessing the BMI, so more and more attention going towards the Sakshi. So BMI starts fading. When the BMI fades away, what remains? What remains? You can't say Sakshi. If you say Sakshi, Sakshi of what? It is called Sakshi, the witness, because witnessing the BMI. When the witnessed is faded, it is not even the witness. What? That alone. What it is, you have to go and find out. So Sakshi, so Nirvikalpa. So the realized master knows that one alone is appearing as the many. Therefore, Nirvikalpa.
Om Nirvikalpaya Namaha.